Nutrition plays a major role in the overall development of a plant. They need them to germinate, grow, fight off diseases, and to reproduce as well. Like animals, plants also require a lot of nutrients, which can be divided into two groups, macro and micro. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, along with carbon, hydrogen and oxygen forms the macronutrients. Lot of elements are also required: calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, manganese, zinc, copper, nickel, sodium, chlorine, selenium. These are the micronutrients which are required in less quantity but are very important for the overall development of the plant. Soil is the major source of nutrients needed by the plants for growth, but over a period of time the nutrients get depleted in the soil. Hence it is very important to provide nutrition externally, and it is in our hands whether we choose organic or inorganic fertilizers, and this decides the overall health of soil as well as plant. In this episode, let's look at preparation of liquid fertilizers which are readily absorbed by the roots and even the leaf pores. It is highly effective for plants that are growing actively, and it also helps in formation of flowers and fruits. You don't have to look far away to make these fertilizers. The best source we have is our kitchen. Fruits, vegetables, eggshells, and many food residues can be used for preparation of these fertilizers. This is a multi-purpose fertilizer which can be used for all plants. Along with the kitchen waste, there are a lot of abundant sources available right in our garden which are available for free. Common plants, unwanted weeds also contain a lot of macronutrients and micronutrients as well. The process of making this fertilizer is very easy. All you need is simple equipments like buckets, which is a one-time investment and very cost effective. These organic fertilizers are safe and healthy for plants. If you are using chemical fertilizers, they are good at this point but not good for tomorrow. They can harm the health of the soil in long run and are also good source of pollution. Organic fertilizers are a bit slow. In a long run, they are very good for soil health and also plant health. This organic fertilizer improves the texture of the soil as well, and it also helps in increasing the water holding capacity and also becomes a good place for fungal and bacterial growth, which are always helpful for the plant growth. Whereas the chemical fertilizers make the soil unproductive by decreasing the nutrient content of the soil over a period of time. Organic fertilizers are very easy to use, easy to prepare and easy to apply without causing any harm to the plants nor to the soil. The best benefit is for those who are consuming those plants. Finally, organic fertilizer is a cheap, environmental friendly and healthy option. So friends, let's look at the preparation of this nutrient rich solution. Welcome to Planting Nature, friends. All we need is two buckets, one a big one and a small one, which can be placed inside the big one this way. Now make small holes onto the small bucket, sideways and bottom as well. You can use a drilling machine for this purpose, or simply you can do as I am doing now. These buckets which I am using are the paint buckets. This may look ugly but they are clean. Now once the setup is ready, you are ready to throw the waste into the small bucket. You can use all types of kitchen waste, ranging from vegetable waste, fruit waste, any unwanted plants, leftover tea leaves, eggshells, even the flowers. If you want, you can pour some curd as well, which fastens the preparation of fertilizer. But there are some things which you should not put in this bucket. Example, oils, dairy products, cooked foods, animal food, because all these things will decompose longer and leads to a foul smell. I generally keep a routine of 1 week. Every Monday I start with adding kitchen waste with an empty one, and then on Saturday or Sunday when I have time, I use this solution to apply to the plants. This way I am giving at least 5 to 6 days for the nutrients to get infused into the liquid. Make sure to mix the contents at least once in a day. Either you can mix it this way or simply lift the small bucket so that the water completely drains into the larger one, leading to a good mixture. Now the liquid is ready. This is a very good multi-purpose fertilizer because we are using many types of kitchen waste. lot of macro and micronutrients are infused into this liquid, which can be readily absorbed by the plant roots. You can always spray this liquid onto the leaves as well. Now for using this liquid, I generally add some more water, at least 1:1, and just pour onto the potting mixture. Apply this fertilizer to the plants at least once in 2 weeks. This will keep your plants healthy and also helps in improving the soil texture. By doing this, we are not only recycling our kitchen waste, we are reducing the pollution and burden on this earth and also reducing the usage of inorganic fertilizers. So hope you like this video. Do try if you have a passion of growing the plants. There will be a little odor while doing this procedure, but when you look at the growing plants, it is worth it to do this process. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.